This way is a little bit more verbose, but it doesn't involve as many arcane-looking escape strings. Let's take a look at those commands. Here's a selection of them, the ones that match up with the options I showed you earlier. The foreground and background styles have numbers from 0 through 7 to specify colors, and I'll show you those in a minute. There are keywords here for the other styles as well, and here's the colors. You'll see here, a particular color, like say green for example, is 2 using the setAF command, and it's also 2 using the setAB command for the background, whereas in the ANSI one, they were different values. I'll switch over to my script, and I'll change it to use the tput notation. And since tput is a command, I'll need to use command substitution. So I'll change flash red using tput setAB for the background color to 0, which is black, a semicolon since I'm using more than one command here at the same time, tput setAF for the foreground color to 1, which is red, and then blink because I want that text to be blinking. Next I'll change the red one, and I'll do tput setAB 0 for black background again, and tput setAF 1 for red foreground. And then for none, I'll use tput SGR 0, which resets all of the styles. So I'll save, and I'll go out here to my script, and it runs exactly the same way. There's a lot of options available for tput, and to check them out, you can take a look at the man page for term info.